and be with me. For I need you, babe. Without you, I am nothing. You can blame upon me all the things that makes you blue. Oh, my love, believe me, I'll be missing you. I can't sleep less at night with someone's by my side, 'cause the memory of our love keeps my anxiety. So won't you open up your heart and believe me when I say I need you with all my heart, babe, I love you. Please come back to me, darling. Please return your love to me, 'cause I can't be thinking about our happiness today. I'll be sleeping with someone's by my side, 'cause the memory of our love keeps my heart smiling. So won't you open up your heart and believe me when I say I need you with all my heart, babe, I love you. Oh, my love, hear my plea. Please come and be with me. For I need you, babe. Without you, I am nothing. You can blame and call me all the things that makes you blue. Oh, my love, believe me, I'll be missing you. Oh, my love, believe me, I'll be missing you. Her lips and her dress, they're bold to ruby red. She thinks that's how you hide the pain you feel inside. She comes down every night, close her up the neon light. Her perfume feel the air. People stop and stare, but blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses willing to believe in someone's life. Just growing bluer every day. One more drink, one more dance, you might be her only chance. She needs someone to hold when the night is growing on.
don't mind the sun. She'll take you in and give you warm, lying in the dark. And a bed of broken hearts. 'Cause blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses willing to believe in someone's life. Roses just growing bluer every day. Blue roses just growing bluer every day. Imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smile, but when I read the card, the teardrops fill my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You didn't tell me to my face that you had found another. It never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone. And you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that the yellow rose is me? You love someone forever. And did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray? Didn't throw our love away. Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another. It never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone. And you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Yes, you said goodbye with a single yellow rose.
I saw a man today who said he talked to you. Not so long ago, I think a man talked to you. As my mind rests back in time, I pray, oh Lord, don't let it show. The things I forgot you just 15 years ago. 50 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did you have to mention your name. I must broken up inside, I still feel speed awake or so. Methinks might be stronger to keep a man taking off a girl he hasn't seen since 15 years ago. I've got a lovely wife who thinks the world of me. Promise her my love through all eternity. I tried hard to make her happy, and so far she doesn't know I can't shake this thing of 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did you have to mention your name? I was broken up inside, I still feel speed awake or so. And things might take a long time to get a wheel loving your mind. I know I've tried since 15 years ago.
Before the bright lights of the town, a country boy set out to see the world. Remember when those city lights shine down, that big old moon shines on your Kentucky girl. I swear I love you by the moon above you. On Fridays, it's shining in your world. Some mornings when you wake up all alone, just come on home to your blue Kentucky girl.
wander by the banks of the old river Rhine, where my love her and left her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fraulein, 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 oh down towards the heaven each night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fraulein. When my memory wanders away over yonder of the sweetheart that I left behind, in a moment of glory, a face comes before me, the face of my pretty Fraulein.